So this is Cabo San Lucas. We were able to go for 2 days on the Celebrity Solstice, which was really nice because the ship stayed overnight. So we're able to do some excursions and enjoy the port area.
Day 3, Celebrity Solstice, Cabo.
3.
Oh,
3.
And this was on day 3 and 4 of the Celebrity Solstice. So when you first arrive to Cabo San Lucas, you have 360 degrees of just gorgeous views. Now getting off the ship was very easy, but with this port, it is a tender port, so we did have to catch the tender boats over to actual Cabo, and it was actually a very quick ride. When you get there, you are in the heart of it. So once you get to the port, it's not like there's a walk or there's a bus or a shuttle. Once you tender over that short trip, you have so much right there. And if you just stayed in that area, you could have a really good time. There's a lot of food places in walking distance. There's a beach. Now, we didn't get any excursions from the cruise line. Big mistake. We ended up doing a water taxi, but we had to, you just have to be careful.
You ain't supposed to say it first.
Right here.
okay.
Right here is the blubber beach, the best beach. I haven't met people on the cruise ship. I stay here for a couple hours. I don't know how long you stand.
Oh, it's for a couple hours?
Yes.
So once you go over, I have to wait for somebody to come back?
Yes, sir. I want to go over right there and you say, I know you stay for a couple hours, 3 hours, and go and pick you up.
How much?
Because 20 or peso grand trip and go and back.
$20 going back?
Exactly. Peso grand trip. I got in my boat.
Which boat?
Right here.
I would say that so many of the people in Cabo, they make their living off of tourists, and there's just a lot of scams. There's a lot of trickery, and you have to be really careful. Like even with this one, it's like, okay, you pay for round trip and we'll pick you up. Well, chances are they're not going to pick you up, so then you have to pay for a second round trip just to get back, or at least a one-way to get back. So that's something to look out for. You'll see later in this video that they did not pick us up, and we did have to pay to get back, even though we already paid. And again, they all work with one another, so it's just kind of all set up. I was able to negotiate the fare back, and I had to play a lot of hard to get just to do that. Back to the scenery, and what you're seeing is just absolutely beautiful, being on the water and being so close to the water in these little water taxis that they call them.